write this example question. Example question. 2 electric bulbs are randomly selected from a sample of 10 bulbs. I repeat, 2 electric bulbs are randomly selected from a sample of 10 bulbs. This is the sample. We are going to select 2 bulbs. This is our selection. With 4 defect bulbs. You have to continue that statement. 2 electric bulbs are randomly selected from a sample space of 10 bulbs with 4 defect bulbs. So this sample of 10 bulbs contains 4 defect bulbs. 4 defect bulbs. Six are in good condition. Okay, question, Roman number 1, find the probability. Find the probability. Both bulbs being defective. Both bulbs being defective. Second one, find the probability none being defective. Find the probability none being defective. Okay. So before starting the 2 questions, we have to identify our outcomes, total outcomes. Here in this sample, we have 10 bulbs. Out of these 10, we are going to select only 2 bulbs. Then what is our sample space? What is the probability of our sample space? For that, you have to use Ncr notation. For this particular question, what is our N? What is our R? Our sample is 10. Out of 10 bulbs, we are going to select 2 bulbs. Therefore, it is 2 from 10. 2 being selected from a sample of 10. So let's find 10C2. 10C2 meaning is factorial 10 divided by 2 factorial, then subtract these 2, it is 8. 8 factorial. So what is 10 factorial? That is product from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10. Here in the denominator we have 1 to 8. So without writing all the digits from 1 to 10, you can simplify like this. Here we have 1 to 10. Here we have 1 to 8. So 1 to 8 will cancel 1 to 8 of this numerator. And what are the remaining 2 digits? 9 and 10. In numerator we have 9 into 10. Because all 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 will be cancelled from 8 factorial part. After that, we are left with 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 1 into 2. Then 2 times 1, 2 times 5, answer is 45. That means altogether we have 45 ways of selecting 2 bulbs from the sample of 10. Now what is the first problem? We have to find the probability both bulbs being defective. Then this is our denominator. This is the event. both bulbs being defective, that is the event. Sample space is 45 because we have already calculated the total outcomes, that is 45. Then what is the numerator? Our event is selecting defective bulbs. Selecting defective bulbs. How many defective bulbs are there? We have 4 defective bulbs. Out of 4 defective bulbs, we need to select 2. Out of 4 defective bulbs, now the sample is defective bulbs. Out of 4, we have to select 2. Then the sample space is 10C2, what we have already calculated. And what is 4C2? 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Subtract these 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 factorial, denominator is 10C2, that is 45. Now you can simplify. 2 factorial, cancel 1 and 2. The remainder is 3 into 4. Remainder is 3 into 4 divided by another 2 factorial, which is 1 into 2. You can simplify these two. Numerator is 3 times 2, 6. 6 over 45. The equivalent fraction is 2 over 15. 2 over 15 is the probability of selecting. Find the probability none being defective. So we can't select a single defective bulb here. So we can't select defective bulbs. Therefore, in this case, what is our sample? Good bulbs. So out of 10, we have 4 defective, 6 are good. From 6, both selections must be out of these 6 because we have to select good bulbs. So sample is 6, we have to select 2. 6C2, sample space is 10C2. 6C2 is 6 factorial over 2 factorial over 4 factorial. This is 45. 4 factorial cancels out 1, 2, 3, 4 products. We are left with 5 and 6. 5, 6 divided by 2 factorial is just 2. Denominator is 45. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 over 45. Equivalent fraction is 1/3.